Here's how to turn off Google personalized ads, so Google stops using your activity to customize ads. First, open any browser on your phone or computer and go to adssettings.google.com. If you're not signed into your Google account, sign in now. This page controls everything related to your Google Ads personalization. Right at the top, you'll see Ad Personalization. If it's turned on, Google uses your activity, searches, YouTube history, and app usage to personalize ads. To disable it, simply toggle the switch off. A confirmation screen will appear. Scroll down and tap Turn Off. Even after turning it off, you can manage categories individually. Scroll through the list of interest categories Google has assigned to you. Tap any category you don't want Google to use and choose Turn Off. This gives you more control if you only want to limit certain ad types. For even more privacy, disable the data Google collects for ads. Go to myactivity.google.com, then tap Web and App Activity, Location History, or YouTube History, and turn any of them off. Stopping these will reduce how much data Google can use for ads, even if personalization is off. To reset your advertising profile, scroll to the bottom of Ad Settings and choose Manage Privacy and Data. Then clear any stored ad-related data, so Google can no longer use it. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Google personalized ads.